Hello friends, welcome to our channel Manahil Zoya Fun Club. Friends, today we will learn fruits and vegetables name. But before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Apple, carrot, banana, broccoli, orange, cauliflower, strawberry, spinach, blueberry, pumpkin, raspberry, lettuce, blackberry, cucumber, grapes, tomato, kiwi, bell pepper, pineapple, onion, mango, garlic, papaya, potato, peach, sweet potato, plum, eggplant, cherry, zucchini, apricot, asparagus, pear, raw papaya, melon, peas, watermelon, bamboo shoots, grapefruit, bitter gourd, durian, green chili, pomegranate, red chili, coconut, reddish greens, date, romanesco, passion fruit, beetroot, dragon fruit, butternut squash, persimmon, turnip, jackfruit, capsicum, lychee, taro root, star fruit, daikon, tangerine, coriander leaves, custard apple, drumstick. Friends, I hope you have learned a lot in this video. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Manahil Zoya Fun Club. Bye!